Son's grace. Your gaze is tender and true. Through ages past, through trials endured, we lift our hearts to you. O Mary, Mother, hear our plea, defender of our land and peace. So lead us on with gentle grace, and guide us to your Son's embrace.